how to create a zoom effect in Affinity Designer, a zoom effect as shown. You can use type, you can use other objects, stars, etc. So I'm going to type the word zoom. I'm going to set it into Arial bold, but you could use zoom, any other word of course, or paragraph, or different font, or letter. Now I'm going to apply effect, or style, and then once you've got that nice golden, go over to the point transform tool. Now just go to the origin point there, you can see that little dot there. Just drag it over somewhere on the screen. What you can then do is duplicate that zoom. Then go to the bottom left point of the word. If you move that around, you can see it moves all over the place. You can see it scales, it rotates. To limit to scaling, hold down the Shift key as you drag the word. Duplicate again, Command J, Control J. Just duplicate and then just drag. Just keep doing that over and over again. So Command J and then drag, holding down the Shift key. Don't have to continue anymore. You could actually stop at this point. But what you can do, you can also do, you can drag it off to a different direction. So you can zoom it off to a different direction. So move the origin point over to the other side now and just repeat. Now with that zoom there selected, just again Command J, Control J and duplicate it and then drag while holding the Shift key down to create a slow or rapid or randomly spaced zoom towards that origin point. Now, of course, I could move it, the control point, origin point, to some other position as well, and then continue with the zoom to a different direction. I'm just going to stop and get rid of all those. In this case, I'm just going to use a star. I could use a circle, could use many other designs as well. And again, I'm going to turn that into gold. And again, go over to the points transform, just move that origin point just down to the corner, duplicate the star, Command J, and then hold down the Shift key and drag. And repeat the duplicate and drag. You can see, just go down towards that point. I'm selecting the central point of that star as well. So I'm now just going to move the origin point again for the transform. Duplicate the star, Command J, and drag holding the Shift towards the origin point. Repeat again and again until you are happy with your design. And you can see the star now goes down and then up. Again, move the origin point down to another position and then continue with that. With that star. But it could be any shape. It could be hearts. It could be many, many other different designs. You can see, just move it now a different. Now, once you've finished that, what you can do, you can then group everything. You can also turn the whole lot into a symbol and much, much, much more. Please subscribe, always adding new tutorials about Affinity Designer. Also, please add some comments. What did you like about the video? What did you find confusing? Also, a dislike or like. Please add that as well. Always appreciated. You can find hundreds of videos about Affinity Photo and Designer on this channel. Thank you much.